To connect Oanda to Tradingview, you will need to have an account with both Oanda and Tradingview. Start by logging into your Oanda account and navigating to the Account Settings or API section. Here you will find your API token, which is necessary for connecting Oanda to Tradingview. Next, log into your Tradingview account and navigate to the Paper Trading or Broker Connection section. Click on the Brokers tab and search for Oanda. Select Oanda from the list of available brokers and enter your Oanda account details, including your API token. It is essential to ensure that you are using the correct API token, as this will determine which Oanda account is connected to Tradingview. If you have multiple Oanda accounts, make sure to use the API token from the account you want to connect. After entering your API token, you will be prompted to authorize the connection between Oanda and Tradingview. This may involve logging into your Oanda account again to confirm the connection. Once the connection is authorized, you will be able to access your Oanda account from within Tradingview. You can now use Tradingview to analyze markets, create trading strategies, and execute trades directly in your Oanda account. It is crucial to keep your API token secure, as it provides access to your Oanda account. Avoid sharing your API token with anyone, and make sure to use a secure connection when logging into your accounts. By following these steps, you can successfully connect Oanda to Tradingview and start using the advanced trading tools and features offered by Tradingview. This connection allows you to streamline your trading workflow and make more informed trading decisions.